it's Mama Noob here with another video. Yeah, Mama Noob. That's just me, guys. Anyway, what's going on, guys? Today we are playing Murder Mystery with Mama Noob, which is me. I'm Mama Noob. So guys, if I do a bad impression of a mum or a granny, so subscribe and like and press that notification button if you want me to get better at impressions. I'll put another impression. I'll try an impression. It's me, Mario, #1. Alright, I'll do one more. Okay, one more impression. Alright. Yoshi! Alright, that was my last one. Anyway, let's just get started. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the Mama Noob. Sorry if it's very bad. Alright, let's play some games. Oh no, why the black screen go? Game starts? What is going on with these people? What is this game? I don't know. What's this in my inventory? What? I don't understand how to play. Oh. Oh no. What the frick? You can't hop on flowers. You can't hop on plants. Oh my gosh. This game is not meant for kids. People are getting stabbed. I just heard someone get stabbed. No. No! Stay away. Oh, penguin. Ooh. I don't know. Play it out. Play Fortnite? No, I don't. I'm sorry. No, none of us do. Okay, babe. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm Mama Noob. I'm Mama Noob. Hey guys, let's do some cooking. Yeah. I'm so sorry, guys. This is like a kid voice. Yes, what? You don't play Fortnite. Fortnite. All right, guys, put in the comments and put in if you play Fortnite. If you do, yeah, you're still lucky to be here. Okay, still lucky. What does this guy want me to train? By the way, guys, I'll put the game in the link description. I'll put the link in the description below. Yeah. Anyway, let's get back to the game. Well, I don't think I like this game. What are you talking about, Mama Noob? Well, you get killed. Well, it's playing this game. It is Murder Mystery 2. They call it Murder Mystery. Just shut up. You're blind. I need to do some paperwork. My work, right? Come to Coles Express. Yay! No! Nah! I think I'm gonna go get Joey! Joey! Get off the iPad! Boy! Go, you need to get some sunshine! Go outside. No, you bad talking me! Get outside right now! Put out the whip! Oh my gosh, see, this is the bit, this is what I'm talking about. There was a skull right there. No, see, look, he just took that skull and he painted it black and put some red stuff. What do you call that thing? Alright, let me show you my skills, Peter. Let me show you my skills. I'm gonna show. Let me show you my skills. There we go. Hiya. Alright, I think we should just just sit here. No one be able to get us. Yeah, so yeah. There we go. Sit down. Let me sit down. If you want, I'm just gonna play some music. Oh crap! Gotta go get that gun. I got stabbed in the face! What is going on with this game? I'll put some music on, guys. Okay? subscribed and right, you subscribe and press the notification bell and put in the comments. You press the notification bell, like the video, and then put in the comment section below. Write that you liked the video. And that is it for today. Goodbye. Alright guys, hello. What? Anyway guys, goodbye. As Mama said, do that stuff. Goodbye.